Can we talk to animals? Decoding the animal language. The dream of conversing with animals has captivated humanity for millennia. From Aesop's fables to Disney's Dr. Dolittle, stories abound of humans understanding the whispers of the wind through the trees and the chirps of birds outside their window. But in the realm of science, the question of interspecies communication is far more nuanced. While philosophical discussions about existentialism with our pets might be out of the question, animals undeniably communicate with each other in a rich and complex tapestry of signals. These signals go beyond mere sounds. They encompass a symphony of body language, chemical cues, and even electrical fields in some species. The key to unlocking this hidden language lies not in forcing human words onto our furry and feathered friends, but in learning to interpret their unique forms of expression. This exploration will delve into each of these points. 1. A symphony of signals, delving into animal communication. 2. Teaching animals. Human language, bridging the communication gap. 3. Technology and the future of interspecies. Communication. 4. The ethical considerations. 5. The road ahead, a future filled with possibilities. First, a symphony of signals, delving into animal communication. The animal kingdom boasts a staggering array of communication methods, each species with its own intricate vocabulary. Here's a glimpse into some captivating examples. 1. The Songbirds Serenade. Birdsong is far more than just a pleasant melody. From the intricate warbling of a robin marking its territory to the complex melodies woven by nightingales in the spring, bird vocalizations carry a wealth of information. These songs communicate everything from danger warnings and mating calls to social hierarchy and even food source locations. Scientists use bioacoustics, the study of animal sounds, to analyze the structure, frequency, and temporal patterns of bird songs, slowly deciphering the hidden messages within. 2. Whales in conversation. The haunting songs of whales, some lasting for hours and traveling vast distances underwater, have captivated humans for centuries. Researchers believe these complex vocalizations may convey information about location, social status, and even mating prospects. Whale song is thought to be a learned behavior passed down from generation to generation, with regional dialects even emerging within different whale populations. Understanding these songs could offer valuable insights into whale social structures and migration patterns. 3. The silent language of body language. Communication isn't always about sound. From a dog's wagging tail to a cat's arched back, body language plays a crucial role in the animal kingdom. Tail position, posture, facial expressions, and piloerection, raising fur, are all part of a complex silent language that conveys a range of emotions and intentions. Dogs, for example, use a combination of tail wags, ear position, and facial expressions to communicate excitement, submission, or playfulness. 4. Chemical communication, the power of pheromones. Many animals, from insects to mammals, utilize a fascinating communication method, pheromones. These chemical signals, often undetectable to humans, can convey a wealth of information including attraction, territory marking, and even fear. Ants, for example, leave pheromone trails to guide others to food sources, while some species of snakes use pheromones to track prey. Understanding how animals use pheromones could provide insights into animal behavior and potentially lead to new methods of pest control. 5. Electrical whispers. The underwater world holds another surprising communication method, electrical signals. Weak electrical fields or pulses are used by some fish species for communication and navigation. Sharks and electric eels use these electrical signals for hunting and defense. While the specific messages conveyed through these electrical fields are still being unraveled, Understanding them could shed light on the social interactions and hunting strategies of these fascinating creatures. These are just a few examples of the diverse communication methods employed by animals. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, revealing an ever more complex tapestry of language woven by the creatures around us. Second, teaching animals human language, bridging the communication gap. The idea of teaching animals complex human languages like English has proven to be a significant challenge. Our vocal cords are simply not designed to produce the same range of sounds as many animals. Additionally, human language relies heavily on abstract concepts that may not translate well to the animal world. However, there have been some fascinating attempts at bridging the communication gap. One of the most well-known examples comes from the pioneering research of Alan and Beatrice Gardner in the 1960s. The Gardners attempted to teach American Sign Language, ASL, to a chimpanzee named Washoe. Washoe learned over 200 signs and even demonstrated the ability to combine signs to form basic sentences. Similar studies have been conducted with other primates like bonobos and gorillas with varying degrees of success. While these experiments show some promise, it's important to remember that using ASL doesn't necessarily equate to understanding human language in the same way a human does. Animals may be adept at mimicking signs and associating them with rewards, but true comprehension of complex grammar and syntax remains elusive. Third, technology and the future of interspecies communication. Technology is rapidly opening up new frontiers in understanding animal communication. Bioacoustics research is utilizing advanced sound analysis software to decode the intricate patterns within animal vocalizations. Imagine a world where computers can analyze a whale song and identify specific calls related to feeding grounds or potential danger. Machine learning algorithms are also playing a crucial role. These algorithms are trained on vast datasets of animal sounds, allowing them to identify specific calls and their meanings with ever-increasing accuracy. As these datasets grow and algorithms become more sophisticated, we may soon be able to translate entire animal conversations in real time. Another promising area is the exploration of biomimetic communication. Biomimicry refers to the imitation of nature's designs and processes. In the context of animal communication, this could involve mimicking the sounds and signals animals use to establish a rudimentary form of two-way communication. Imagine using technology to mimic a specific whale song to warn them of approaching danger, or using synthetic pheromones to attract specific insect species for pest control purposes. The potential applications of this technology are vast. Imagine collaborating with animals on conservation efforts. By understanding their communication patterns, we could identify areas crucial to their survival or even warn them of impending environmental threats. Understanding distress calls could revolutionize animal welfare practices, allowing us to identify animals in need of help much quicker. Fourth, the ethical considerations. As we delve deeper into the world of animal communication, ethical considerations inevitably come into play. Should we attempt to alter animal communication patterns? How will understanding animal language impact our interactions with them? For example, if we learn a whale song that signifies danger, do we then have a responsibility to warn other ships in the vicinity? Understanding animal distress calls could revolutionize animal welfare practices in research facilities or factory farms. However, the potential for manipulation or exploitation also exists. Imagine using animal communication to control their behavior for commercial gain. Striking a balance between utilizing this knowledge for good and respecting animal autonomy will be crucial. Open discussions and clear ethical guidelines will be necessary to navigate this uncharted territory. Last but not least, the road ahead, a future filled with possibilities. The ability to truly talk to animals in the same way we converse with each other may still be a distant dream. However, the ongoing research in animal communication holds immense potential. It could revolutionize our understanding of animal behavior, ecology, and even animal sentience. Imagine a world where we collaborate with animals on conservation efforts, understand their specific needs during disasters, or even gain a deeper appreciation for the complex social structures within the animal kingdom. The journey to understanding animal communication is a fascinating one, filled with challenges and possibilities. As we continue to learn the languages of the animal world, we may discover a deeper connection with the creatures we share this planet with. This newfound understanding could lead to a future of greater cooperation, respect, and a more harmonious relationship between humans and the animal kingdom.